Hello, my name is Ali Ray and this is my campervan custard. Together we travel the length and breadth of the UK, seeking out all the fabulous local food that our regions have to offer. The Club's Eat Local campaign aims to inspire you to bypass the supermarket when you go on holiday and instead seek out the region specialities, shop in the farmers markets and support our independent producers. And of course, to cook something delicious on our campsites at the same time. Here's one for the festive campers. It's a turkey winter one pot. I'm using fresh turkey breast here, but you can just as easily use cooked turkey left over from the big day. I've got some spices in it like ginger and cinnamon, giving it that lovely kind of Christmassy feel, and also a cheeky splash of sloe gin, which is optional. So to start, I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of oil. I've got rapeseed oil there, and I'm going to put in one chopped onion. I like using red onions. Cook that fairly low, just to kind of soften them up and get them translucent for about 5 minutes. Put 2 garlic cloves in, so I just use like one of these little zesters. It's much easier than chopping it. Next we add our spices. So you want a teaspoon of turmeric, and then half a teaspoon each of coriander, some ginger and some cinnamon. Give that a good mix around. Add in your turkey breast. So if you're using fresh turkey breast, put it in now. I've used about 400 grams of turkey breast here. That'll feed 4 people. And once you've browned that turkey, I've put 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. And then finally, I'm going to add some stock. So you can use the powder one, or these little stock cubes are perfect for camping. And then just add that into your turkey. And again, mix it around. Put the lid on and let it bubble and toil away for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to add in a couple of handfuls of fresh spinach. And then we want about 200 grams of pitted prunes. That gives it that lovely Christmassy feel as well. Then my secret ingredient, some sloe gin. It's going to have that kind of Christmassy booze touch. Let that cook for another 5 minutes. Put your couscous in a bowl. I've got about 200 grams there. And then I use powdered stock. But the trick is put the stock in and give it a good mix first. And that gives you all the savoury flavours. And then you just add enough boiling water to just cover your couscous. Couscous has been sitting for 5 minutes. To finish it off, I just put through a little bit of oil and some fresh herbs. Mix those 3. And then for that Christmassy finish to it, I've got some pomegranate seeds. It's just because they look so Christmassy and so bright pink. I'm going to put some of the juice in too. I think my turkey winter warmer is cooked. All I need now is to serve.